this July, there will be a special event
For our dreamers.
all our dreamers this July. Okay, so pausog tayo from August to July. But now, we are at the present. We are in the month of June.
Yes.
What's our biggest news?
The biggest news is that thank you so much for supporting our live stream every week.
Yes.
So, starting this June 12, it's gonna be called as Fourth Impact Live Show! We're gonna make our
Fourth Impact Live.
Oo nga.
Live show, sabi mo
Live
eh.
show.
Live lang.
Live lang.
It's gonna be a big show every week. Yan!
We are, guys, this is the biggest announcement. We will be creating our own show.
Ayan, yan ang tama.
It's a level up live stream, guys.
Yes. Hindi na siya parang live stream actually. Gagawin na namin siyang show. It's gonna be a show every week and it's gonna be every Sunday at 9 p.m. Philippine time. It's gonna be a shorter but impactful and intact show for every week.
Yes! That's
Sunday.
every Sunday.
Only 9 p.m.
Starting this June 12.
Yes.
And we're gonna call on some other friends. Our P-pop group friends will come over and to be our guest every week.
So, abangan niyo yan, guys.
You Yun na nga, Yuki Meow, parang concert every weekend.
Oo. Kasi,
Press 1 if you're excited, dreamers!
Press 1! Kasi ako excited na ako. Grabe.
Wow.
Sobrang excited na ako.
Grabe. So, please tell all your friends and family about this biggest news that they will, that they can watch a free concert every weekend.
yes.
Every
And
Sunday.
ang aming first ever special P-pop guest ay, bawal pang sabihin.
Surprise!
It's a
You have to
surprise.
watch
You should
it.
watch out.
Surprise. Pero sino ba yung mga gusto nyong mag-guest namin sa
They're so
aming Fourth
excited.
Impact Live?
They're pressing
I-comment nyo lang, guys.
And here's another good news, guys. Especially to all our patrons.
Yes.
Me and my sisters, we've decided to have a private live stream every Saturday.
Only for
Only.
our
Patrons.
Yes!
And it's a longer one, longer version. So, yes, that's the biggest news,
So
guys.
it's gonna be, every weekend we have a special live stream for our patrons and every Sunday is a mini concert show from us. Every Sunday naman. So, we're so excited, guys, because it's really the new era of Fourth Impact and we are the new CEOs of Fourth Impact. Charada.
The 4 million CEOs.
Thank you so much, Dreamers, for all your support. It's gonna happen. And
We
we declare and prophesy na it's gonna be bigger and bigger.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen.
This will lead us also to the preparation for our biggest anniversary celebration this coming August. So sana supportahan niyo po yan and we are asking your prayers and support that we can also reach out many viewers all over the world. So if you have friends and family who wants to watch a special live stream show every Sunday here in our YouTube channel, I
And
hope you
meron pa
guys
tayong surprise.
spread the word. It's not only P-pop groups, all of our friends who
Wanted
is
to join us.
willing to join us here in every Sunday big stage.
Yes. And malay nyo, kung meron kayong kakilala na talagang, alam mo yun, very talented and aspiring na, alam mo yun, pwedeng mag-guest sa ating
Yes.
show.
And
Pwede.
the good news is, every week, we will have a new song that they will be unlocking, di ba? They will unlock every weekend.
Yes, every week we will be challenging ourselves to really do a cover, but you guys have to unlock when we reach 5th goal every week.
Hindi, and also, it's not just for the dreamers. Sa lahat po ng nanonood, every week meron din kaming pag-giveaway na 10,000 pesos sa lahat ng mga manonood na may mananalo.
Magkano?
10,000 pesos. Grabe. Sponsor nila.
Ikaw yan, ah.
So, ipagkalat nyo na po sa mga kaibigan at mga relatives ninyo and to all the dreamers
Yaman ni Irene.
to join us every week. Bakit? CEO na tayo eh.
No, but when we
Joke
reach
lang.
1 million subscribers, we will give away 10,000 to 10 lucky winners.
Yes. So, mag-subscribe lang na mag-subscribe.
That's a different, naman eh. Kasi nga si Irene na nga nag-decide noon every week para meron mas madami ang viewers natin.
Sabi ni Keith K.
Manonood ka na, mananalo ka pa.
Will you have a studio audience?
Oh, Keith K.
Hindi kasi, naisip ko kasi parang we're doing this live stream also to share some blessings to our kababayan. So, ayun. Every week, hindi lang parang concert yung mapapanood nila, but also, maybe we can help some of them na nanonood din.
Yes. And
Anyways.
also, because it will be like a mini concert. Siyempre, parang yun nga, magbibigay din
Pwede
tayo
po ba
ng-
dreamers manood dyan sa studio? Sabi ni Camille Medina.
Hey! We will still...
Why not, di ba? Why not?
Yeah.
Pagpaplanuhan pa namin, Be, kung pwede na kami magka-live audience. But why not,
Baka,
di ba?
tignan natin kung
This is
magkakasya
just
pa.
the beginning, di ba? Para sa
Yes.
Fourth Impact, new era ng Fourth Impact.
Yes.
Anyways, napakadami nyo pang maaabangan this year sa aming
Yes.
Fourth Impact.
Yep.
There's so many things to look out and watch out for Fourth Impact as we are also releasing our EP, our album this year. So, thank you guys so much for always supporting our live stream. And I guess this is another era and another chapter of our journey. And you have been with us through thick and thin, from the very basic live stream you've ever had to now that we are leveling it up. Maraming salamat. And
So this is...
we just want to shout out and thank Ben Bowling for helping us in initiating the support for our first ever Pioneer live stream next week. So
Our
thank you.
pilot episode.
Thank you so
episode.
much, Ben Bowling.
Our pilot episode.
Thank you, Ben Bowling!
Dreamers!
And to all the dreamers.
Nagustuhan nyo ba ang mga pasabog namin? Sabay-sabay, di ba? Pero,
Nakahinga ba kayo, dreamers? Pero yun na nga, it's also our gift to our dreamers, beloved
Yes.
dreamers, for staying with us over this couple of years, di ba?
yes. And maraming salamat po. And we are looking forward for our own show. Yes! Starting this June. So abangan niyo po yan. And yun nga po, abangan niyo po ang aming pong solo concert this August sa Araneta City.
So every Sunday, parang patikim lang yon sa aming magiging first ever solo concert, di ba? Ay, hindi pala first ever solo concert yun, no?
Saan?
Kasi nag-concert na tayo dati.
Sa August.
Comeback concert ang tawag doon. So, yun nga po, parang patikim lang every Sunday yung
Yes.
mini concert na gagawin natin.
Anyways.
Starting this Sunday, June 12, 9 p.m.
Do you want more songs for tonight, guys? Or we're done? Because we already spilled the biggest
because
news
of
for
that,
you.
Nabusog daw sila sa pasabog.
And I am so excited to arrange new songs for my sisters, for our group. Diba? And yun na nga, we are about to release also our newest single very, very soon. So, diba?
So, Sir Jeff Gable, so spill the tea about
July.
Sorry, don't worry, Sir Jeff Gable. We will post and we will keep you posted about what's
Oh
gonna
my God.
happen this
Gusto ko na-
July.
Actually, gusto ko na pong i-spill the tea so talagang basta abangan nyo. This
Yes.
July, it's for our dreamers also.
So here's the drill. Our patrons every Saturday, they will be the first people to see the show for the Sunday show. Right? And longer, of course. And there's they can request songs. So if you want to be part of our patrons, just visit www.patreon.com/4thimpact. This is
The
your
link
chance.
is in the